Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day video. It's a short one. It is a video of how I ate no meat in one day on the Weight Watchers program. So if you'd like to see it, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you through a short video of how I ate no meat in one day on the WW Weight Watchers points plan. So if you'd like to see it, come on along and you can see what I have for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. For breakfast, I am having 2 packs of this Better Oats 100-calorie maple and brown sugar oatmeal. It is 2 points per pack. I'm having 2 packs for 4 points. I added some extra cinnamon to it, and there's my bowl of oatmeal for 4 points, plus I have an iced coffee for 1 point, so it's a 5-point breakfast. If you've never had these before, you put them in the bowl, and they actually have a measuring line where you could just fill it up with water and then you microwave it. Today for lunch, I am making a grilled cheese sandwich. Usually I make these on my air fryer, but I am at Florida right now and do not have my air fryer, so I am just making it in a pan. I use 2 pieces of Sara Lee Delightful bread, 1.5 slices of American cheese, and that is going to be 3 points, and 2 points for the bread, and then 1 point for the light I can't believe it's not butter light. So this sandwich is 6 points. So there's my lunch today. It's 6 points for the grilled cheese, and I have some shoestring potato snacks, which are 2 points worth. So this lunch is going to be 8 points. For dinner, I made some shrimp fried rice. I used some pre-cooked white rice, fried it in some light butter, added scallions and some frozen mixed vegetables, along with some scrambled eggs and shrimp. And this is 1.5 servings, and it is 12 points. For a snack tonight, I had a bowl of popcorn that I made with no oil in the microwave, 0 points. I use this popcorn maker that I bought on Amazon, and you just put the kernels in the bottom and put the plastic on it, and it pops up a nice bowl of popcorn. And then I flavor it with this theater style popcorn butter. It's both on Amazon. So that's going to be the end of today's What I Ate in a Day video. I used 25 Weight Watcher points. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.